Guess who's back? You know, it's Sweat with the Sweat Experience. You know, zero. And no, we changed some hub bearings last week, and no, that did not solve my problem. So I had to order some stuff. I ordered these shocks. Where's that from? Detroit Axle. And I got some more stuff down there, so we're gonna have to change a couple things down there. Let me get this tire off, and I'll be back. Hey man, here we go. Let's get to it. Man, so what I do is, I get my jack up under there. Y'all use y'all screw gun to jack your car up? That's what I do. I use my screw gun. Jack him up. Get the jack up under there where it's supposed to be. He jacked him straight up. I'll be back. Okay, so we got the tire back off. Took the caliper, the brake caliper off, and I took the rotor off. We back to where we was at last week when I just put that brand new bearing on there, thinking that was the reason for all that noise. So I'm just throwing more parts at it, like I disgustingly talked about last week. So it could be this shock, and that's what we're gonna see. We're gonna take this shock off, put it on. I done sprayed it with a little PB blaster to try to loosen it up. These are two bolts. The big one, them the two. Then of course you got that small one right there. So them the main bolts, and then of course you got some on top. Let me open it. Then up here you got three bolts up there. Then after that, we'll see. But I bought some more stuff to change some of the items down here. So we'll see. I'll be back. Okay, so I took the little brackets off. That bracket right there, which is connected to the caliper, and it goes in this side. And that bolt is a different size than this bolt. Hold on, that goes in this side, and that's the one that holds the sensor and stuff in. That's the one that holds the sensor in when you get it back up there correct, in the correct orientation like that. So yeah, so far so easy. Took the bolts off of this side. Now I'm about to take the hammer and knock them out. Let me see if I can. Where's my hammer? Let me see if I can. Maybe I'm gonna try to screw them out, but yeah, I think I'll try to screw them out. I'll be back. Y'all know I'm not the one I can't do it with one arm, so that's why we do it like this. I'll be back. Woo, we got it. It was rough. Well, the reason why I said it was rough, because I'm a victim of that red Loctite. For those that know, the manufacturer where they build the cars at, they put red Loctite on these bolts, especially up under places like this where it's a lot of vibration and stuff, and it stops with the vibration. But you have the choice to put the blue Loctite back on, or I do suggest putting some on, but the red Loctite is way more aggressive than the blue Loctite, and it's just a little bit more resistant to heat and stuff. But they both stop the vibrations. But the blue one is not as it's not as hard to unscrew a bolt per se. But this is what the bolt look like, and you see you still got to line it up with them little grooves in there. So this kind of drops down a little bit once you get both the bolts out. So what I'm gonna do when I take the shock out and everything, I'm gonna get my other jack, and I'm just gonna slowly jack it up until I line it up correctly. But right now, let me take the shock out. I gotta take these bolts off at the top. Take them three bolts off, and I'll be back. Okay, so I took them three bolts off at the top. Look, they not big bolts. Little small bolts. They're not huge. It's not a lot of torque on them. You know, 3 bolts. Then these are the little guide things to get them up there. So you got this out. You just kind of, hold on, let me get my screwdriver or something. Where's that screwdriver? Well, it was already out, and I pushed it back in there trying to get that other bolt. You just pull them out. Cause that whole piece, right? All of that is the shock. So it all might just fall out. Yeah, let me pull it out. I see it drop down. It dropped down, so that's the problem. You see how far it dropped down? So I need 2 hands. I'll be back. Just a little finagling. We got it right out. That's all. Is this the source of my problem? I don't know. Is it worn out and time for a new one? Yes. So we just we're gonna get right back to it. Put the new one in. Hold on, where's the new one at? What I do with the new one? Yeah. You gonna put the new one in? And keep the party going. Hey, let me tell y'all. Say for example, if these are not lined up directly by the holes at the top, all you gotta do is turn it a little bit. Just hold that and just turn the top. It turns. I'm telling y'all that so you don't have to take it back up to the auto parts store like I done one time. Yeah, here go the new bolts that go to it. Like I told you, they not big. They not big bolts. Just got with these little guide pins right here. Just put it in them 2 holes. Make sure your bottom part is lined up coming out this way, and go from there. I'll be back. Hey y'all, look, all the way from Michigan, my buddy Camp. They came to visit me. Oh no, we got a bad light. There we go. Nah, you good. They all the way down here from Michigan. We got the wife and the mom. How y'all doing? Yeah, so.
YouTube or Instagram?
Nah, this is YouTube. He ain't jump in, but I tried to get him, but we be back. Man, that was my brother Kemp. They came and see me. My lifelong buddy. Stay up in Michigan now. Tried to get him to jump in and help out a little bit, but he had the moms and the wife with him, so he couldn't. This is my problem. I'm trying to get this out. I'm stuck like Chuck. It's stuck like Chuck. Don't want to remove. I'm trying to go new. I'm trying to go spanking new. I'm trying to get it out, but it just does not. I done turned it. I done banged on it. I don't know. It done extended my time to have it repaired. I tell you that much. Look, the spring is out. We got the spring out. Easy work. He ready. He sitting over here ready, waiting on his turn to go back in. Do his job for the next 20, 30 years. I got to get this out. I'll be back. Hey, y'all. I am still hammering away at this thing. I can't get it. I'm still hammering. I done had to put I can't get it. It don't want to fall out. Man, all it's supposed to do is slide right out. Look. Unscrew this. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. All you gotta do is unscrew this. All it's supposed to do, the bolt just supposed to slide in and out. That's all. The bolt just supposed to slide straight out. That's all. But it's stuck. It won't come out. It won't come out. I'm trying. Did I put that on backwards? I couldn't have. I'll be back. I can't get it. Turn. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Hey, now we gonna get it. I had to go to the grinder. I wasn't thinking. I've been hammering and knick-knacking with it, and I had to go to that old trusty grinder. I had that sawzall at first, but that sawzall got a wood pruning bit on there for, like, you know, limbs and stuff like that. But we got it. I'm gonna wipe him down and stuff. Then we gonna add this one in. He was definitely stuck. Bad. Rusty, look. Didn't want to come out of there, so that's all we're gonna do is this side for today. Put this on, put the shock on, and then I do the other side tomorrow. It took way too long. And I forgot about that grinder and stuff. I'll be back. I'm trying to get him back together. Y'all see him up in there, bolts established. He's all the way up in there, established. But, you know, I don't want y'all to think, you know what I'm saying, we got torque wrenches around here. We putting him back together. Look, new hub bearing from last week. New shocks. I'll be back. Hey, y'all, that definitely was the fix. Definitely. I just took it for a test drive. And no knocking at all. No rattling noises. No anything. That's the big relief. I didn't know what I was going to do. But we got it. These are for the back. I got some for the back and another one for the front. I'm definitely going to do them back ones. And I guess I'll change the front one also. Make them even. Not tonight, though. It took a lot longer than I wanted it to. I'm out. Hey, never miss a chance to move forward. I'll holler back.